Yep. My. Hey, what's up, you guys? Well, I decided I'm gonna try to at least take out one tree of the creek. And we're walking through my ATV trail that's right behind the house. We have not been on this trail, I almost about to say in years. It seems like years. Months. But I'm taking this brush cutter because I got a good idea that there's gonna be some growed up places where we're gonna be working that I need to clear out. And of course I got the chainsaw here. I filled it up with oil and gas. I hope I won't run it so much that I got to have more oil because my hands are full. I can't carry any more oil or gas. And I'm hoping that I won't need the chest waders because I have on my little short boots. I don't think that the water in the creek is high enough to need the chest waders. I hope not, because then that will almost be a vain trip back here, because I'm not when we finally get to where we're going, I'm not gonna come back out here to get no chest waders. Nope. I'm not gonna do it. But we'll work with what we can, with what we got. Hopefully the water is low enough. Y'all remember, I don't know if you checked out the last series at Mother Beaver Dam, but I actually checked out the water that was right beside my house in Beaver Dam Creek. If we're going to Beaver Dam Creek, and there's a bunch of spider webs, and the water was low. So, wow, look at my old bridge. All that wood looks about rotten now. A lot of it has broken through. I used to ride the four-wheeler across here. There's not any water. Oh, let me be careful where I step at. There's not any water in this little ditch here. So, oh, and look at this thing right here. What did that do? Fall? Did that fall across here? I don't think nothing growed across here like that. Oh man. I'm running into all kind of spider webs in my face. I can't fight them, except but with this right here. It's growed up through here, you guys. Wow. No riding, no beat down. Stuff is just growing like it wants to. Yeah. That looks like something fell across here. Oh man, this right here is a workout carrying this saw and this brush cutter. And I'm sort of crazy because when we get through moving the wood, man, I'm gonna have to carry this stuff back out of here. Oh boy. Oh, we'll get there after a while, you guys. Remember, we used to walk this all the time when we was tearing out the dam. Well, did we? No, we didn't walk it all the time because we would ride the four-wheeler. But like, when I had to make an extra trip to carry something, I would have to walk some. Oh, goodness gracious. Spider webs all over the place. Get off of me. Okay, now we're veering off towards the creek, off of the ATV trail. Wow. And I'm looking at the water. The water's got a decent flow there, but I don't think it's gonna be high. I hope it ain't. Back here. And yes, we're gonna start seeing tires because this is Beaver Dam Creek, so. Oh man. Woo, I feel my trap muscles. I feel my traps. Yes. All right, it's starting to get a little bit, wowee. Ooh. Man, what has happened here, you guys? Like, I'm gonna have to cut this out before we go any further, because oh boy. All right, let me fire up this brush cutter. I hadn't started it today yet. Shouldn't take much to start it though. Good old steel. Oh, look at the weeds. Get off me. Growed up back here, you guys. Wait a minute. There go the tires. The tires down in there. Wait a minute, you guys. Oh my goodness. Man, another tree done fell down. A rotten tree. Where did that come from? That tree right there. Oh wow, more work has fallen in here too. And that water looks a little higher than I remember. Oh wee, look at this. Yeah, we only gonna have time for one tree. Because it's another one down here. We ain't been here in a while. I say I might as well go ahead and get it cut out. That was a beaver dam there. It's still flowing. It's still flowing. One of the first dams that I tore out. Well, via video. Wow, the other tree is down there. Wow, man, wow, y'all see how growed up it is out here? Man, I'm gonna have to focus on that another time, man. I got enough back here that I need to still cut. I might not cut it though, But that tree there, that's a whole nother ballpark. But that's the two trees that I was saying that we need to work on. That tree that's down there used to be up in here, but we got a heavy rain one time and it washed it right on down to where it got stuck. And that's where it's at now. So, man, that's more work than I want right now. It really is. Oh boy. And then this stuff here, I need to see. I need to be able to see you guys. Let's get that out of the way. Whoops, I didn't mean to hit the tree. Looks like a piece of tree right here. I was not expecting all this. Man. There used to be a dam right here, you guys. See the wood that we cut over there? This was the first dam that I tore out on Thanksgiving Day in 2020 with the first video. I keep saying the first dam. I've been tearing out dams since 2015. But the first video I made was at this dam right here on Thanksgiving Day 2020. Oh, big old frog. Ah, yeah, piece of wood. This stuff is thick, man. But I think that'll be all right for now. We're running out of time. We are running out of time. Like I said, I wasn't expecting that. And them tires is right here somewhere up under all that. Back in the winter, this stuff was dead and it was clear. You could see everything. So let's get started, you guys. All right, you guys, so let's see. I have not started this chainsaw up yet today as well. Okay, that's rotten. We can, oh, about to break. Go ahead and get the stuff that we don't got to cut yet. Oh, there's a whole piece right there. Oh, that's a little bit, it's a little bit heavy there. I might go ahead and cut that one. That's rotten. Let's see how heavy it is. I might can flip that up out of here. Yep. Oh, man, I tell you this. Wow! That stinks. The water stinks. How deep is this water? It looks like it's pretty deep over here. Gonna get beyond my boots. Oh yeah. I can't go too far over here, you guys. Can't. I gotta be. Oh, yep. Okay. That's about the furthest I can go that way. So that thing is actually way longer than I realized. Wow, it goes way up there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Go ahead and get this thing started up. Let's see. Get it primed up. Got down pressure on it. I'm glad I pulled it out. I'm wondering, for you chainsaw specialists, if me running it in the water there caused the bar not to be slick with oil, because you heard how it was sort of hanging up when I was cutting that last piece there. I don't know. I'm not a specialist. But let's go ahead and get some of these pieces out of the way. Oh. I'm glad it's light. That wood is light. I don't know what kind of tree it is, but a piece like that right there, that could be some heavy wood. If it was oak, I wouldn't have picked it up that easy, and I wouldn't be throwing it like that. Whatever it is, it's light. I mean, seriously. Come on. I guess I can. That right there is a little bit heavier. That must be a different kind of wood. What was I about to say? Oh yeah. I guess I can use these gloves to get the wood out of the water and stuff, because these are the gloves I use when I'm tearing out the dam. Use some other gloves from Brother Ralph and wife to handle the chainsaw so I don't get it all muddied up. Oh, there's another piece here. My chest weight is gonna be easy, Terrell. Oh, how soon we forget. I'm out here stomping around like the chest weight is on. Come on, you gotta go too. That's right. You gotta go too. Okay. A lot of the other stuff is little pieces. I guess we'll work on some of this over here now, you guys. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna have to cut this. Maybe not. I think I could just flip this out of here. I'll move the saw out of the way. Oh yeah. Oh, rotten mess. Now let me be careful, because the water gets deep over here. Oh, that's gonna break. That's gonna break. Oh! 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 Woo! I don't know. Oh, that's gonna be a job for the chest waders. This piece here, you can flip it up. I'm just wondering if maybe I want to get my saw hung up, because I know if I try to cut right there, it's probably trying to drop down. I'm not a tree cutting expert, so I wonder if I should go down there. I can't hear you guys. I know y'all giving me some suggestions. I can't hear you though. So let me see something over here. Let me see how deep the water is on this side over here. Because I don't want to cut this thing and then it drop off in the water and we have to leave it in the water. Uh-oh. Yeah. That's deep right there. I can imagine it's going to try and roll over here. I mean, when I stand right here behind it, it's good though. But the way that piece is angled down there, it's going to force it to roll this way. And at the same time, being that we haven't been getting a lot of water and there's not, you know, any beaver activity over here, it wouldn't hurt for it to lay in the water until we can get back to it. So I might go ahead and cut it. And the other thing is it's going to be laying in the water. I think we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Get that moved further up this way. Let's get the saw. And let me get my goggles. Where did I put them? Over here, you guys. And my other gloves, like I was saying before, from Brother Ralph and wife. My yellow gloves, they got me a variety pack. I think it was gray, yellow, and red. A 3-pack, you guys. Man, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. I'm debating on, I want to get on this side over here. I got a little more room to work instead of being backed up on that bank. And it's shallow. It's shallow over here. So let's see. I mean, all we can do is try it.